Today in this video we will be discuss about make money online. So let's get started. Most online money making methods only require a computer or mobile device and a solid internet connection. These methods let you conduct businesses on your own schedule and from anywhere. You can make money while traveling the world or from the comfort of your home. If you are unsure which online money making method Top 10 quick ways to make money online. Consider our top picks for the best ways to start making money online immediately. Number 1. Sell used item of item you already own, like used clothes, furniture, and appliances. Number 2. Create and sell artwork. Sell goods with your design printed on them and accept commissions to create custom artwork. Number 3. Take online surveys. Make money while helping companies improve their product and services by sharing your opinions on survey website. Number 4. Test games and apps. Become one of the best first to try out new games and apps and share your thoughts with the developers. Number 5. Review websites. Improve the user experience of various websites by testing them and giving feedback. Number 6. Become a mystery shopper. Get paid to shop at various businesses and share your experience to help companies improve customer service and satisfaction. Number 7. Monetize cool notes. Excel at your studies while earning extra income by sharing your organized notes with other students. Become a voice-over artist. Use your voice and make by taking high-quality photos and videos and selling them for people to use in their content. Compose and sell royalty-free music. Write songs and offer them to people interested in incorporating music into their video. Selling or renting out items you have is a great way of earning money online and decluttering your space. One of the most popular second-hand items categories is clothing. The global market, after cataloging items to sell, take high-quality internet. Number 2. Create start selling methods. Artists can make good money by selling digital or physical artworks and accepting commissions. Potential income dozens to thousands of dollars varies widely depending on the artist's popularity. You can also sell designs through your own website, make a portfolio website to attract clients. Additionally, make more money by creating designs. Take online surveys. In this video, we will be discuss about number 3. Take online surveys. Many people earn extra money by participating in company surveys about consumer behavior. The results of these surveys can help companies make informed decisions about their business. Most survey sites offer low pay and service takers can only cash out after reaching a certain earnings threshold. Additionally, many surveys are limited or spaced demographic. The following are some popular service sites where you can make a few bucks in your spare time. Number 1. Swagbucks. Earn points by watching videos, completing surveys, or playing games. Afterward, exchange them for gift cards or cash. Survey junkies participate in market surveys and help companies improve their products and services. However, video games occupy the largest segment of the global digital media market. As a result, there are many opportunities for making extra money online via testing apps and games. A good example of 4.